Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making the pen active. Open the barrel, insert a fresh battery with correct polarity, and tighten it. Once done, make sure your surface's Bluetooth is on and visible. Keep the pen within 3 meters. Press and hold the pen's top button for about 5 seconds until the LED blinks. That signals pairing mode. You'll see a prompt on screen. Accept it. This sequence ensures a stable connection before you move into settings and customization. You now configure behavior and verify responsiveness. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, then Pen to Map button actions and set double-tap behavior. Choose your preferred shortcuts. Once set, adjust app-specific pressure or tilt in creative apps like OneNote or Photoshop so stroke feel matches intent. Test writing, drawing, and erasing across apps. Make sure tilt responds and pressure gradation is smooth. If strokes lag, close background apps and retry. These steps lock in a consistent inking experience across tasks. You're ready for daily use. Attach the pen magnetically when not in use to save battery and prevent loss. If you notice jitter, skipped strokes, or disconnects, replace the battery and repair. That fixes most electrical issues. Once replaced, confirm button mappings remain correct. If problems persist, restart your surface or remove and re-add the pen in Bluetooth settings to reset state. That single troubleshooting tip solves the majority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.